family. What's going on, beautiful people of YouTube? Welcome back to Sid X TV. And I am the one and only, the beautiful, gorgeous, Miss Intelligent Sid X in the flesh. You know, follow me on Instagram and hit me up because I be bored and I be wanting to talk to you, beautiful people that take the time out to listen, watch, like, and comment, and hit that subscribe button down below on my YouTube channel. So of course you can follow your girl on Instagram and inbox me any suggestions, any comments, anything at all. Hit me up on Instagram. But let's just jump right into this video. All right, you guys, so pretty much I'm gonna break it down to you like this. I treated myself to $100 shopping spree on Wish. And for those of you who don't know what Wish is, it's pretty much where you go to buy almost anything at extremely discounted rates. Everything is coming from China, but yet again is extremely cheap. It takes like a week or two to come in, but yet again everything is extremely cheap. Now, I bought this beautiful necklace of the motherland from Wish, like $2 for the shipping, but the item itself was free. And that's another thing about Wish that I like. You will find endless and a whole bunch of free objects that can get shipped to you. The only thing that you have to pay for is shipping, and depending on whenever you catch Wish, how often you check on the app for new things, they give you discounts just for going onto the app. So you could, like I did, you know, go on the app 5 days in a row. Then I got a discount code for 50% off of a purchase of $100 or more. So that made me be able to buy more stuff. But without further ado, I'm going to take you guys through a little walkthrough of everything that I bought with my $100. This chain was one of them. It's really nice. I love it. Everything that I bought with my $100, and hopefully, you know, you'll shop around on Wish too and find you some stuff. But this is what I got. All right, you guys. So pretty much this is everything that I purchased with $100 being my limit. That is including shipping and handling. I was able to snatch up a couple mics right here for my audio quality to improve on my film company, and then also on my YouTube channel. I bought a light for my camera. I also bought a light for live videos and everything like that for Instagram with that, and it goes up to 3 different light shades or temperatures. I don't know how you really want to say it, but yeah. I also have that is a plant light with a remote that changes the light of the plant. OF socks, you know, gotta get the OF socks. They were free, plus $2 shipping and handling. That right there is actually a 5-gallon bucket. On a later video, along with that film for plants, I will show you guys how to use and how to make your own indoor garden if you live in an apartment, or if you just want a little project to have you some fresh vegetables and fruit growing inside your room. It'd be a cool video. Be on the lookout for that. I'll put all 3 of these, or all 4 of these, into play. That right there, this right here, is actually a special type of paper that is used to make shirts. So be on the lookout for shirts made by me, and those are actual bags for shirts to be professional and everything. Send you a freshly packaged, well, freshly made and packaged shirt in its own individual packaging. You know, pretty much that's all I got. My audio quality, like I said, thanks to these beautiful lights, mic will improve. Audio and lights quality will improve. That right there, I believe it's just a blue strip of light. It is just a blue strip of light, and everything that came with or requiring batteries did not include batteries. So that does not have batteries in it, and I cannot show you, but I can show you my light, which is really bright. See, and it goes all the way down, goes all the way up, and then on the back it's yellow. So if I was to switch this out like so, bing bow, I now have a yellow light. And you know, got the, where's that? It's right down the side. Could adjust the brightness of the light, turn it off, turn it on and off, you know. And then this, like I said, this is a light that most people use to get that glowy look in your eyes. And I believe this was like $2-3, including the shipping. And I'm really excited for this next video I'm gonna make a box type deal around that, and I might make it big enough where I could get another one of these so I could have 2 different plants growing. But gonna make a indoor garden, and be on the lookout for that. And I'll be using these beautiful watering, self-watering systems for my plants, because I am a plant lover, and even though I water my plants day in and day out, they still might not get the water that they need. Therefore, I purchased these so I could fill up a water bottle, stick it in the ground, and let it water itself. And then whenever it is empty, I just refill it. So that's pretty much everything I was able to snag. And this is my beautiful plant light that will hopefully help me grow some wonderful indoor tomatoes. So be on the lookout for that video. And yeah, you should give Wish a try if you haven't already. I highly recommend it. This, to me, including the necklace, was a great steal for $100. Like, all of this stuff, nice quality stuff, for $100, including the shipping. All of it, I made it come up to 99.80. So all of my stuff pretty much came from my $100 bundle, well, my $100 U-Haul that I did on Wish. And I originally, during this video, I was originally going to record myself. Well, I recorded myself shopping on Wish and everything to show you guys, for those of you who don't know how to use Wish or never seen Wish, the actual physical part of the website and everything, and the whole ordering process, and walking you through like shopping for things. For instance, this same light sold 3 to 4 different ways. And whenever you're shopping, depending on what you're shopping for, it's always good to check around, because I could have easily spent $6 for the same light when I only paid $2, because I looked around and I seen, okay, well, you have it for free, but you're charging me $2 to ship it to me, which isn't bad because I'm getting the item for free. I'm just paying $2 for shipping, you know. And as far as this one, even this, I think they wanted on somebody, since it's like multiple different sellers in China that are selling the same products or selling stuff from their website. And I believe this one, somebody wanted like $20-30 for it, but I found one that was selling it for $11, and then $2 or $3 for shipping. You know, this was free. It came free with me paying the shipping. Those were probably like $2-3. This one was free. I just paid for the shipping. That, like I said, that shirt material for you to make shirts, that probably wasn't nothing more than $4. And I'm pretty sure that reflective plant screen paper was like $3 at max. That was free. I just paid $5 for the shipping, and that as well was free. I just paid for the shipping. So, I mean, look around, check out Wish, and see what you can find. Try to do $100, or hey, even $50. You know, you might find something on there that could be a great gift for somebody, or even a gift to yourself. You know, I treated myself to $100 on Wish. You should probably look into or think about doing the same, especially if you love saving money and finding good bargains. So All right, you guys, welcome back. And it's your girl Sid one more time. I just want you guys to have a awesome day. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to show you what I purchased on a $100 U-Haul from Wish. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, thumbs down, comment, like, and subscribe to Sid X TV, especially if you want to see that next video coming up about how to make an indoor garden. So be on the lookout for that. And other than that, peace.